This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete stickers on iOS 17. If you added bunch of stickers and now you want to delete any of them, follow these easy steps. First of all, open the Messages apps. Then open a random conversation. Tap on this plus icon. Tap on stickers. And here you will get all of your created stickers. And for example, I want to delete this sticker. So I'm going to tapping and holding on this sticker. Tap on remove. That's how we can delete and remove stickers on iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.